Possibly one of the biggest challenges that companies face is how to provide users with secure access to systems and services, no matter where they are, safely. Passwords in traditional MFA are easily cracked by phishing, prompt bombing, and other credential attacks, leading to costly breaches. They also create frustration for users. Passwordless MFA from HYPR removes the risk and provides a login experience that people want to use, replacing passwords with passkeys and enterprise passkeys. HYPR uses device-native biometrics and strong public key cryptography for fast, phishing-resistant login for all systems, from desktop to the cloud. That's why organizations around the globe trust HYPR to eliminate security risks and empower their business. HYPR is fixing the way your employees log in, fixing the way your customers log in, fixing the way the world logs in.